It's an all-letter heavy rocket kitty bites. Let's do this. Yeah, I'm not going to do any announcements, so let's do this.
This right, we accept. Thank you.
I'm gonna wait for the countdown message. To be honest. Just do that, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not gonna be waiting for the announcement. Not gonna be doing any announcements. I just want to do it straight away. I'm gonna do one right apparently. I am. This one's gonna move as well. I'm gonna get on it.
5, 4.
So it's actually gonna rotate apparently.
2, 1.
I do apologise about that. Yeah, I tried to do 4 rounds as good, but someone interrupted me during the film, and that's one thing that kind of annoys me a bit, to be honest. That kind of just pisses me off, really. Yeah, that's all the Adventures Kiddie was I'm going to be filming today.
Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun. George's favourite
You see all those
planet
planets?
is Saturn. Peppa wants to see the red planet.
That's why I really like this Kiddie Rides, to be honest.
This looks
Yeah,
fun.
some of us are responsive.
To the moon.
It does a start button. I don't think that's nothing. Yeah, there's Edward Elephant there. I'll show you again.
Take a look at Venus.
Sorry, on my phone in my pocket.
Planet Mars. George's favourite planet is Saturn. Neptune is the furthest planet from
Yeah, Mercury's there.
Mercury is the closest planet
Earth's there.
to the Sun. Found Earth.
Jupiter's there.
Earth is the biggest
Yeah, it's the
planet.
most biggest planet. I'm not gonna lie, actually.
I'm Edward Elephant.
Yeah, please know it's fine there.
I know this is complete.
I might give it. I might do it on my community post. I'm not sure. Yeah, Peppa sings North Star. I'm not sure what episode, to be honest. And the Netflix button. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, whatever. You saw in the afterwards end message. Now it's an all-letter heavy rocket kitty ride.